So this is my unboxing video of the AirPods 3rd generation. So let's get to it. First of all, I ordered my AirPods directly from the Apple website. I realized that it's much better, the products. They come brand new and then they have a warranty. So in case you want to replace it, in case you want to trade it for another device, Apple device, it is a smooth process. So I would always recommend to you, if you are into Apple products, to get it directly from apple.com. Okay, so let's just get this box open and then we can get started. And I am so excited because I've been contemplating when I would get these AirPods, the 3rd generation, because I had an experience with the 1st generation and then the AirPods Pro. I didn't really like them because of the inserts in the ear. It wasn't really comfortable for me. So I'm having a little bit of trouble opening this box, but we'll get there. So, ta-da! I got my AirPods, and it's this 3rd generation AirPods, and I got them directly from, see, it says here, these are authentic. They were designed in California at Apple factory. And also I got them directly from the website, which gave me the opportunity to get them customized with whatever initials I wanted. If I wanted a name or anything, I would be able to get it because they came directly from the website. So if you're an Apple lover, I would recommend that you get all of your items from the Apple website. I'm having a little bit of an issue getting this box open because I have all these long nails, right? You know, sometimes it gets complicated, but I'm gonna get there. And like I said, it's always good to get your products from apple.com because you not only the warranty, but all of the accessories are authentic. I got it open. So these are AirPods 3. See, authentic, design in California. And I'm just gonna pop everything out. So in here, I think this is the manual. Yeah. Okay, so this is the manual. Check it out. AirPods manual. It has everything you need to know about the AirPods 3. And I got the version that comes with the MagSafe charger. So I didn't get the lightning charger version. And let's talk about that, right? So that's the manual. I'm gonna read it later. Tells you all the instructions. And this is my AirPod. Check it out. Oh. Check them out. So guess what? They came directly from the website. So it is customized with my name. Oh my goodness. I am so excited. And you get to put any emoji that you want on your AirPods once you get it customized. So this is what I'm getting right now. So, I got them. Check them out. So here is my new AirPods. They are authentic, right directly from the website, and I'm loving it because now I have my customized name on my thing. So guess what? My AirPods won't get mixed up with my sister's own because I have my name on it, right? So like I said, okay, what else? But let's see what else is in this box. I guess there's nothing else in it. Oh, okay, awesome. So what they did was, I got the MagSafe charger version. I did get the MagSafe charger version, but they also gave me a lightning cable, and I guess that's because it comes with it, right? So yes, it comes with the lightning cable right here, and it has, I should have seen that part is right now, but it's also safe for the MagSafe charger. Now I know what you're gonna think. Does the MagSafe charger comes with your AirPods? No, it doesn't. So when you're ordering on apple.com, they give you the opportunity to add the MagSafe charger. My AirPods 3, I paid $180 on Apple. And then the MagSafe charger, they are sold separately and they are $40. Yeah, $40. And you're like, why would I spend $40 extra? But listen, I wanted the MagSafe version, even though my sister was like, just get the lightning cable version like hers. But I said, you know what, I want this new version. So I got the MagSafe charger. Now we're gonna open it up. I'm gonna show you what's in the box. Just give me a minute. We're almost there. Okay, it has directions. Why didn't I read how to open the box, right? I know what you think. Okay, so we're gonna open it up and see what exactly is inside the box. Okay, so it tells you how to use the MagSafe charger from the back of it, and then you'll have to have the outlet. This only works with the C cable, the C version of the charger, the C cord charger. So it's not the normal USB charger. Okay. Here it is. This is how it opens up. It opens up like a book, and that's so cool, right? It just opens up like a flip book, and it's so cool. So this is the cord that goes to the MagSafe charger. So we know that obviously we're gonna lay the AirPods right on the top, and that's what it's for. I know a lot of people are running to the MagSafe chargers because it's basically like a little dish. And you can literally just put your charger in the plug, obviously, and then you can connect your AirPods. And also, another thing is most of the devices now from Apple are coming with the MagSafe option. So it looks like a little gadget. It's cool. It's cute. It is small. And that means it's compact. You can carry it anywhere. You can fit anywhere in your bag, which is what I like because I carry a lot of things in my purse and I need that space. But the only thing is, the MagSafe charger, it does not come with an outlet, and that's what Apple doesn't really mention to you. So what you'll have to do is buy the outlet separately. Here it is. And it's a C cable outlet. And these are usually, the generic ones are about $10, but the original chargers from Apple, they're just $20, $19.99, $20, right? So I am so excited. I got my AirPods and I'm gonna try them in my ear. I'm not gonna set it up to my phone as yet, but I'm just gonna put it in my ear. And I got this one really because I just love how it is, how it was made. I don't really like the AirPods Pro. It just was like bothering my ears, and you'll hear a lot of people saying that. But thank you so much for watching. I got my AirPods 3, and I also got the new MagSafe charger. Okay, see you guys later, and look forward to another unboxing video from me.